Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Let's talk about the top 10 most trending music videos on YouTube right now in Kenya, Tanzania, and across East Africa. Let's get into it. At number 10, we kick off with the song Salama by Barnaba featuring Diamond Platnumz, having over 12 million views. And it was released some 2 months ago. The song is nice. Go check it out. I loved it. At number 9, it's Sinner by J Melody, having more than 741,000 views in only 2 weeks. It's so nice. Watu wa malavi-davi, J Melody got you covered. At number 8, we have Getembe by Diamond featuring BN with over 5.5 million views in just a month. This is the official video. The audio ilikuja kitambo kidogo. The song was nice. It's still nice. At number 7, we have Donjo Maber Donjo by Iyani featuring Dufla Deligon with 1.7 million views in 4 weeks. That's like a month. It's a very good dancehall song. Energy top. At number 6, we have Kumbaba by Wakadinali featuring Abbas Kubaf, Waku, Papela, and Masterpiece. The song has more than 1.7 million views in just 3 weeks. It's a nice hip-hop. It's so good. Go check it out. I love it. At number 5, we have Tikitako by Matata featuring Okwonko with 1.2 million views in just 2 weeks. It's a very nice song. Watu wa mapati party. Go check that song out. It's for you. At number 4, we have Taya by Okelo Max. Okelo Max did it again. The song has more than 756,000 views in only 2 weeks. Moving on to number 3. We have Tete by Mario, all the way from Tanzania with a massive 21 million views in just 3 months. The song is mwah. At number 2, All My Enemies Are Suffering by the Kenya's finest BN with more than 3.4 million views in 3 weeks. That song is like the national anthem right now. Everyone talking about it. And finally, topping at number 1, we have Power by Mbosso, an incredible song, a very sweet, nice, awesome song with more than 21.4 million views in just a month. So that's your top 10 for this week. Which of these hits is your favorite? Drop your pick in the comments, like the video, subscribe for more trending music updates. Until next time, keep the music playing.